Hi noobs, here we are out in the middle of nowhere in an unauthorized, or in a place I'm unauthorized to be, but at least I found a place without lights. So these are low beams, and there's your high beams, and boom, light bar. So 37-inch Nilight light bar. Now the road curves up there, so let me turn off the lights. Really not a big difference with the headlights off. But so the road curves up there. It looks like on the screen of the camera, it looks like the road is a lot brighter than it actually is. It looks like it's dark up ahead and bright right in front of me, and it doesn't really seem that way in person. It looks pretty evenly distributed, maybe a little brighter on the road. Maybe it's slightly pointed down. I can't really tell, but honestly, I can see the trees at the end of the bend in the curve here very clearly. So again, I just think this is a camera issue. So let me see about the switch here. Shit, I can't. It's not bright enough to see. But bottom line is, so I can switch it up and it's on. I can switch it down and it's tied to my high beams, and so I can flash it. So that's about it.